Dear student, welcome back to our NIVS home school. Hope you are fit and fine at home. This is Shiuly Saha, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Home School Morning Shift. Student, today I am going to take your home science class for the student of class 6. Our today's topic is lesson 1, 2, 3, 4 from chapter 5, discussion, reading done. So student, have a look on a board. Our today's topic's name is Learning of Etiquette by the Children. Lesson 1, Human Qualities. Today we will discuss this lesson in brief. Every day we need to exchange ideas and communicate with our parents, siblings, that means brother or sister, relatives, teachers, neighbors and several other persons, elder or younger to us. And through such a process our human qualities become apparent to all whom we communicate with. Taking care of others' conveniences and inconveniences, appreciation of others' views and feelings, decent behavior, etc. together are called as etiquette. So, what is etiquette? Taking care of others' conveniences and inconveniences, appreciation of others' views and feelings, decent behavior, etc. together are called as etiquette. Etiquette is the outcome of civilized behavior. So etiquette is the outcome of civilized behavior and inner beauty of human beings. So what is etiquette? Etiquette is the outcome of civilized behavior and inner beauty of human beings. Beautiful aspects of one's inner self become apparent through etiquette that come out of one's behavior. So we can get etiquette, okay, through our inner mind. Etiquette will be reflected in your polite, respectful, well-mannered, modest behavior in the society. So etiquette will reflect in our behavior. You are the future citizens of the country. So in our growing up as civilized, appropriate and well-behaved beings lies the welfare of our country and also that of our nation. As we are the future citizens of our country, so we should behave like this. The behavior which everyone of us expects from others are human qualities. So what is human behaviors or qualities? The behavior which everyone of us expects from others are human qualities. Such behaviors are cooperation, sympathy, patience, modesty, politeness, decency, etc. These qualities become apparent in the family through interactions with neighbors, relatives and friends. Lesson 2, Respect for elders and teachers. Elders deserve your respect. Among your relatives, your parents, elder siblings, grandparents, uncles and aunts, we all are elders of your family. Besides, it is our moral responsibility to show respect to your teachers and elderly neighbors irrespective of their professions. This is an example of polite behavior. Obeying elders is a means of showing respect to them. Elders will like and love you if you too are respectful to them. Love is created out of respect. Now, respect for teachers. Teachers are the ones who shape human minds to be perfect human beings. Teachers provide you knowledge with which you shape your present and future. The teachers are next to your parents. You need to learn your lessons from your teachers with due sense of honor for them. Teachers try to rear their students up in the same way they do for their own children. So teachers are next to your parents. They teach you like their children. You ought to follow the ideas set out by their teachers. Be attentive to the lessons your teacher teaches. It is your responsibility to be modest and gentle towards them. Lesson 3, Behavior with peers and responsibilities and affection toward youngsters. We all like company. Our lives become full of comfort through living along with mutual company among us. This type of mutual attraction exists more among contemporaries. Contemporaries have among themselves similarities in thinking in the same way as they are similar in their ages. Friendship is created among those contemporaries. So who have more similarities in thinking. It is most important. Friendship is created among those contemporaries who have more similarities in thinking. We exchange feelings with our friends. So, we exchange feelings with our friends. Those who are well behaved and do not cause harm to others, obey rules and regulation, and are polite and sympathetic to others are the best. Besides, an important point for selection of friends is mutual trust. So, for our friendship, not only for our friendship, for others relationship, mutual trust is very important. Responsibilities toward youngsters. There are many others in the school who are among your relatives and neighbors and are younger than you. You have a significant number of responsibilities toward them. Lesson 4. Behavior towards the special need people and maintaining family secrets. We find around us various persons who are physically impaired, visually impaired, hearing impaired, dumb, having irregular body structures with intelligence much less than normal level, etc. They live with much hardship, but they are not responsible for such state they have been in. Everyone wants to live a normal life. You have significant number of responsibilities toward us special needs children too. Your kind and good behavior will inspire them to go forward. We all have our responsibilities toward them so that they are not neglected. They can be among us in the society. They can work according to their abilities and they can get educated. So we all have responsibilities towards them. Now, maintaining family secrets. All of you live in a family along with their parents and siblings. Relatives are also there in a number of families. You have among yourselves intimate connection and strong bond of affection and love within the family. However, living closely together inside a family sometimes misunderstanding and conflicting ideas may arise. Some happenings need to be kept concealed within the family members only. Besides, if matters related to financial affairs and valuable assets is disclosed, keep it secret. Such affairs, if become public, may jeopardize the family security. Jeopardize the meaning of endanger the family security and cause uncalled for troubles. Hence, the matters or the affairs which, when let known to outsider, may harm honor, status, and respect of the family. These matters are family secrets. So, students, hope you have understood our today's topic. Our today's homework is you have to make 5 one-word answer based on this this chapter, and your homework number 9. So, everyone, you have to make your homework topic and submit it on next Saturday. Thank you all of you. See you in next class.